Kevin, I'm an interior designer from Otters Interior and Styling, and I'll be sharing more about this home, which is really an old walkout apartment located in Tiong Bahru, Moh Guan Terrace. Although there's 50 years left on the lease, the unit itself is actually much more older because the lease was renewed on 1973. So the block was built in 1949, which makes the house 72 years old. The main goal of the design is to update the home but to keep the initial design elements intact. So we did this by retaining some of the structural elements such as the slated windows and the transoms above the door. In terms of layout configuration, we reconfigured the kitchen and bathroom, but the layout for the bedrooms remains the same. For the dining area, it's between the living room and the kitchen. So we created a custom table consists of quartz, plywood and a brick base. For the kitchen, we tear down the wall and we expose some red bricks, and it's as old as the unit itself. The service yard used to be an entire long corridor connected from the kitchen to the master bedroom. We demarcate that with using a bifold folding glass, so to keep the air conditioning indoors and also to prevent the cooking fumes from the kitchen to flow over to the master bedroom. This is the only bathroom in the entire unit. It used to have separate areas such as the WC area and the shower area. So we don't see a point keeping that because it's too cramped, so we open up the entire space. The master bedroom is no frills and it matches the character of an old home, which is functional. So what we did to the space is the vinyl flooring and a slim cabinet which houses the electrical wiring for the lights. The owner chose to have the home office besides the window so that it can function as a chill out space after work hours. The bench top is made from swa wood and the tiles embedded in the support is from the bedroom's original floor. So during the renovation, we salvaged some of the nicer piece of the tiles and install it in the support to give the home office a bit more character. Putting aside COVID, I think the most challenging aspect of this renovation is the age of the unit itself. For example, after we hack off the kitchen flooring, it causes some water leakage to the unit below because of how old the original waterproofing was. It was really taxing as well for my contractors to move up 4 floors without lift. Thankfully, I think all went according to plan and homeowners appreciate the design and the final outcome of the renovation. So I'll count this renovation as a success.